Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we just ordered this really cool, amazing DIY pre-made slime. So here's a box and it's really cool. It has like everything you need to make your slime pretty. So this is going to be so amazing, right Isha?
Yes, I can't wait.
Yeah, okay, so let's unbox. So it says there's a lot of things. There's like 10, so there's like glitter tubes, glitter small bottles, there's like little charms. It's going to be cute. Some
there's a
clay and some
slime.
Yeah, okay, so let's open now.
This is very
Oh my gosh, guys! Okay, so let's just show you the box.
Guys,
this is amazing.
This is not what I was expecting it to be, but
there's so much slime. So guys, there's so much slime, but we're gonna do like a whole series of like decorating these slimes. So we're gonna pick 2 in this video. So I'm gonna have 2 and Nisha's gonna have 2. So
oh my gosh, look at the ducky. These two would match. The ducky and the yellow slime would match so pretty together.
Okay,
I'm definitely using it for this.
These foam balls, I've never had this much. Like, I've been wondering where all the people that make slime get fish beads
from. Oh my gosh, guys.
Yeah,
look how pretty this purple is.
Oh my glitter. God. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so
we don't even have to use the spoons. We got our own thing, the knife spoon.
Yeah, that's really cool. And there's straws. I don't know what straws are for, but that's kind of cool. And there's clay. Maybe we can make like a butter slime or something. Okay.
I want a butter slime.
So let's pick the 2 ones we're gonna get.
Okay.
So guys, these are the amazing cool slimes we picked. So I picked the green clear and the light pink clear.
And I picked the really nice light blue for the ocean, and then I got the yellow for the duck to sit in.
Yeah.
I feel like I really want to get the duck.
Yeah, so now we're going to start decorating. So let's go. So here's our big little box. Well, big box.
Hello again.
Hi. Okay, I'm going to add these rainbow fish beads.
It's so hard to see anything.
So we're going to pick our ingredients.
Can't really find the ducky thing.
Okay, let me grab it for you.
The ducky bag. The bag with the ducky.
Oh, that's... So we got I don't know if
it's in the other bag.
Oh, the other bag's over here. Oh wow. Oh, the ducky is so cute. Okay, you can have that. Okay. And I want to add some rainbow. Actually, I want to add some. Yeah. No.
I think we should open these.
And some pink fish balls and some glitter too.
I think we should open these.
Yeah.
Just in case we need it.
Actually, I want these. These ones might be a bit easier. Okay, so we got everything we need to make our amazing slime now.
1 second.
Can't wait. So I'm gonna open the glitter because I'm gonna do my pink slime first. I can't wait to make this awesome, amazing slime. Okay, so I want to pick this. I kind of go different with the theme, so I kind of want to pick the white glitter.
No, I don't
the white glitters.
I want the ducky. I guess I have to get a tip a bit out.
Okay, so I'm going to start with my pink slime, guys. So let's open it up. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Cute. This slime is like amazing. Okay, so I'm going to grab my slime out and show it to you guys. Cool, it's like all clear.
So guys, I think I found it both with my sister.
Okay.
The ducky for this one and then the swan for this one.
Yep, so she has the cute swan and the cute ducky. Okay, so this one is really good actually.
Oh my god.
It's a bit sticky. It's only because it's a bit melted, but that's fine.
Oh my gosh.
It's not that sticky.
This is not sticky.
It's like actually really good, actually. Okay, let's add my white holographic glitter.
I'm gonna add just like a little like white one too for my
Actually, I don't think it's gonna match. I don't know. I think I'm gonna add my white fish beads actually. Let's open.
Oh, I'm gonna need to add fish beads. It's gonna match the whole ocean.
Okay, I think that's gonna be good. Okay. Ooh, they feel really nice. I never felt fish beads
I'm gonna
before.
try.
I've seen fish beads like all over slime challenges.
And I've seen these food fish beads that you usually have on sushi.
They're a bit messy, but I think they're fish eggs.
Thank you.
That they have on sushi. This is so messy, but it's really fun. Jeez, okay. So I think this is what... Okay, so I'm going to put my slime back and decorate it with adorable, cute charm. Right, Isha?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit... Isha agrees with me. It goes everywhere. But we'll pick it up in a bit.
Okay, so I'm thinking about the swan goes on here.
Yeah, because like swans are kind of in the ocean. Oh, you could have... There's like a whale too.
I don't want the whale, I want the swan. It's much more cuter.
I'm pretty sure you meant to put the swan on top.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I'm going to add a charm, and I don't know which charm I want to add though. So I'm just going to get all the slime off me, and then we can add the adorable charm. Oop, oop.
My crunchy mochi. Whoop, whoop. My crunchy mochi. This is it.
Okay, now let's add the cute charms. Okay, so what happened? Oopsies. Oh, I think I know which one is like in here. Like, I'm super happy about this. That's it. The first one I picked, I fell in love with it. Look at that. A pink strawberry. Who doesn't like strawberries? I know who that anybody doesn't know.
Who put their hair on my slime?
Oh, no clue. Probably your hair. Ready?
Yeah,
let's put the charm on top. Cute. This is super adorable. So I made my
just telling you, this is what this one looks like.
Yeah, swanny.
Really cute. And
okay,
here's what the ducky looks like. Quack quack.
Now I'm gonna add this. There's so many cool things in here, but something caught my eye on these fruit charms with like kiwi. It caught my eye. So I think I'm gonna add a bit of some fruit charms into here.
I didn't know that those fruit charms. On the next episode, I'm gonna be.
It looks like.
On the next episode, we might be buying a little fruit slime because obviously we love fruit.
Yeah, fruit is one of my favorite things in the world.
It's a kind of healthy, but it does have a bit of sugar.
Ooh.
Vegetables don't have any sugar. The only vegetable that I like is cucumber.
I think the pink one was just a bit melted. This one's not as messy. This one's just nice. This is so adorable, guys. Don't you agree? Who doesn't love adorable little fruits? Look! Woo! Look at these. That's adorable. And this is my one that I made too. It's like a strawberry.
I'm gonna add more face beads.
I think we should like add a charm to every slime. This is like so fun. Okay,
look
now
and these pink things look like really cute like flowers on them.
Oh yeah, that's actually pretty cute. Okay, I want to add a bit of something that I've been saving and waiting to add. So, I'm not going to add any fish beads because they're a bit messy.
Can I add some fish beads, please? Thank you.
Rainbow fish beads. Isha's has like blue slime everywhere.
Sorry.
That's fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna get...
Oh my gosh, poor Swan. Swans are
Oh my god, I totally forgot about these adorable little servings. I have to use them to display our slime.
I'm gonna add some
Oh, these are so adorable little hearts.
Hi little rainbow fish. There's gonna be a lot of rainbow fish.
Okay, I think since I kind of want like a fruit thing, so I think this might be kind of cute for like a fruit. I don't know. So I'm gonna get this and add it in. Whoop whoop.
I'm gonna put it in this.
It just farted. Like seriously, that's so fun. It's pretty hard to get like that. Oh, this is super duper hard. Maybe I just need a bit more. Ready? That's like so cute. Maybe, oops. Maybe I should just put a bit like that.
I'm not really a big fan of slime. I don't like when it's
I didn't get any fruit chunks. Oh my god, I need fruit chunks. Like, these are so adorable. I need to add them so there can be a little strawberry and a what is this fruit? Comment down below if there's like a blue fruit that looks like an orange.
That might be a blue kiwi.
A blue kiwi.
Yes, I love blue kiwis.
So,
they might have dyed of that kiwi blue.
I don't know if blue kiwis are even real. Oh, no clue. This is adorable. Let's just put it back in though. We don't want the slime to dry out. Okay, so let's add a cute charm. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, here's the charms I'm looking for. And something caught my eye.
Oh my gosh.
And I don't know which one to pick. They're just all super adorable. I don't know which one to pick. Guys, help me out here. This adorable lemon. This adorable sparkly apple. All this adorable watermelon. I think I'm gonna see which one matches. Not apple or water. The watermelon matches. So we're gonna go for the watermelon. Watermelon. I love myself some good watermelon. So this is my second slime. So Isha, now it's time for you to make your second.
I know, but a lot of my, oh my gosh, one's drowning.
One's drowning. Okay, I just want to feel Isha's texture of her yellow slime.
There's so much slime everywhere. I'm gonna need to shave my hands off.
You're probably not like Dobby.
Dobby.
Okay. Okay, so Isha's slime feels really nice. I think I know the. Do you want to make yourself into a butter slime? Butter?
No, thank you.
Okay. She doesn't want a butter. Oh, yellow glitter.
Yeah, that would perfectly match.
Okay, you can open the yellow glitter and the ducky. It's gonna be so cute. So guys, I just want to do an ASMR test on my fruit slime because my fruit slime is adorable. So I'm just gonna take the charm out. So guys, I think it's a good time to tell you how to get this. So if you want to get this, go into the if you want to get this amazing, awesome slime kit, make sure to go to the link down in our description.
Yes?
Yes.
Comment down below if you want it and then we'll tell you. Or you can just think.
I don't know. Okay.
I'm just so
I don't know what's wrong with my English today. I'm just like, my mouth is going everywhere. This So comment down below which slime you like better.
No, I want
this gorgeous
bubble
fruit slime.
And just can't open this. No.
Or this gorgeous.
It looks like that. My ducky swimming in pee.
Ew.
Why is it
this gorgeous pink?
Is this gonna take
bowl with a strawberry?
Is this gonna take for ages? Oh my gosh! Why won't this lid come off?
Because
I've been trying to open this for 1,000 hours.
It's okay. We can add it. Okay, after. Okay, so I think Isha, I had the perfect. I saw this really cool add-in, and I really wanted to add it into slime, but it matches with yellow. So you could add, if you want, you could add like a lemon friend. Or
no.
Okay.
Ducky doesn't like lemons. Ducky hates lemons. If Ducky ever sees fruit, then he would eat it.
Ducky's aggressive. Okay.
Yeah. Stop it. I'm Ducky dressed.
Oh, Isha, I saw this. Do you want to add some of this slime glitter?
Oh my god.
It's glow in the dark glitter, I'm pretty sure.
Oh my god.
Do you want to add it?
Yes. All of it.
It's like powder. Oh, that's pretty. Can I mix it? I just want to
mix it.
That's cool. Okay, so guys, you're gonna.
Ducky just disappeared.
I think it's a good time to comment down for you to comment down below which slime you like better out of mine. So do you like my kiwi fruit slime or my strawberry slime? I just realized both of my slimes are based on fruit, so must be a fruit addiction. And so comment down below which slimes you like better, my slimes or Isha's slime.
So if you like my slimes are better than my sister's, then comment down below ocean animals.
And if you like my slime's better, comment down below
Beauty Twins,
Fruit Squad. And I think that's a good time to end this video. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.